What you doing?
Hey, carburetor stuff.
She wasn't running so good yesterday.
No, not so good. I got a leaking valve cover.
Ew.
Just running super rich.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm trying to reset the floats. Teaching myself carburetor stuff. I heard something about metering rods, so I'm trying to figure those out.
Okay. We haven't driven her in a long time, like before this week.
It's been a few years.
Yeah. You got
So
the
it doesn't
gears
really like
changed, though?
sitting, so I changed gears on it because I enjoy doing that.
Yeah.
Actually, for a little bit I took it for a spin. It actually doesn't make any noise, so that's kind of a win.
Oh, right on. I see it stopped raining.
Yeah. Dig around, try to pull the motor out. I want to see if one of my 6 liters that I had in the old shop that got toasted, if it will still work.
Another barbecued engine.
Yeah. It's a 6 liter though. It's like, an older one, but I wanted to do that, but then I'm thinking I don't have a starter.
Oh, shoot.
So I'm trying to figure that out or source that out. I got to get some. I don't have any spare LS starters. So
many things to collect. Hey, Pablo, was that you licking my leg? Yeah, I'm all sweaty.
Huh. Well, that's
Pablo likes my workout sweat.
together. Oh yeah, there's the valve cover.
Oh, stop pushing.
It leaks so bad.
It was pretty stinky in here yesterday. Holy moly.
Well, that's gas. That was...
Yeah.
Well, I'm hoping. I figured out what's going on, but I don't know for sure.
Oh, I know if anybody can figure it out, that would be you.
I'm running out of carburetors and I'm not very good with them.
Darn it. Troubleshooting carburetors not your favorite.
No, either they work or they don't.
Gotcha. Yeah. What else is new?
That's it. Got my Model A pickup going, so that one should be good to go.
Oh, I like that one.
Picked up some shelving.
Yes.
Showed
Picked
that.
up a
Or I don't know if the video's out or not, but I'm
lot of shelving.
showing that.
And framing has started.
Yeah.
It's kind of stalled for the moment, but hopefully not for very long.
No, hopefully after the weekend they're back.
Yep.
I hope.
Yeah.
I don't want to do it myself.
Nope, but
My patience might kick in, and
I know your impatience.
I'm
Call all the friends over with hammers.
just frame.
Just have a framing party. Hey friends, that might be happening.
Yeah.
We'll see.
I don't know. Nah, it should be all right.
I'm sure we'll be fine.
Just want to get a lot done, that's all.
We're just getting anxious. We're getting very anxious.
Things just never go as fast as I want.
No, we would like it done already. Would have been nice to be moving in already, but
Right?
these things take time. Oh, look at this.
Hey, Mopey.
Oh, yeah. Did we get mail the other day, though?
Oh, yeah. I took a little sneak.
Yeah, you're cheating.
Nah. We got a letter from...
Yep.
Hey, pup, who's it from? I don't think there's anything in there for you. Paul Anderson. They're brake parts for 47 Style Master.
No way.
It's like spanky.
What?
From what I've seen, there's like some spanky new stuff. So it looked like a 47 Ford. It's nothing
Pablo,
for you.
it's not a treat for you.
We got some wheel cylinders, and then I seen a master cylinder in here. So
No way.
like
That's
super
awesome. Oh my goodness.
That one's handy.
Thank you very much, Paul. I think Brent will enjoy.
Stopping.
Yeah. That is awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Every little bit helps. That's a big help, actually. I mean, every help is a big help because starting from scratch, pretty much. So
We got our cylinders, some seals for our iron workers, so I'm gonna have to start looking at figuring out my pump and things.
Yeah.
That's next on the slate.
Yeah, gonna try and get that thing going again.
Yeah, I was bidding on one at auction, but I lost.
Lost it, like literally by seconds. Oh well.
Well, I don't know. I got this. I'm just gonna build it. This one does everything I need. I
Right.
think the other one was a little smaller or something, but
It was a little bit different. You said it was a 3-stage or something?
no, it's just I don't know. It was just different. It was a
Okay.
different make.
Yeah.
Right, pup? You want a treat?
Okay.
You want a treat? We still got treats.
It's a very redundant question.
Do you want a biscuit? Anyways, I am going to.
Continue troubleshooting your carb.
Well, all right. I gotta find valve cover gaskets. Then I can troubleshoot.
Okay. Well, you get back to being busy, and I'm gonna go do something interesting in the house. Bye. Hi.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Fixing stuff.
Why is your Model A pickup here?
It's just being a booger. It's his little steering arms come loose on him for some stupid reason.
Oh, no way.
I don't know why. They're the aftermarket, some Speedway drop ones.
Yeah.
I don't know. I guess I gotta get some more. I Loctited them up last year, but I guess it still decides to come loose.
Shoot.
Or at least that's what I thought. The other side, well, it was loose. This side we're gonna try it again here.
You noticed that when you were out and about today?
Yeah. And I gotta pack. Should repack my bearings here anyways, so
All right.
kind of doing a little of both.
Just some unscheduled maintenance.
Yeah. Let's see if these are loose like the other side. They weren't very loose, but it's enough that when you drive, it's definitely not cool. Well, it doesn't, yeah, it just steers weird. I can tell.
That's not good.
Something's off. No, it's not. I don't know.
Huh.
Just have to check. That's my steering box. Oh, this one's tight. The other side was a little loose, so maybe that was the one doing it.
Really?
It gets just a wee bit of play in there. And then I
Yeah.
guess the wheel alignment goes a hair bit out. Not this side, so that's good.
Yeah. Troubleshooting.
It's for the steering's not something you want to go screwy with.
No. No. I have enough trouble with this thing with the bias plies.
You're fine. I think that was last year after I found the problem. That's why you were having problems, probably.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it still is. It's the bias. They're a little darty, but
Yeah.
it's not a big deal.
Yeah, I was fighting to keep it straight on the road. Mind you, I think it was on a gravel road, so that doesn't help, but
Oh, it's better on the gravel.
oh yeah, okay.
Not so darty. I find it's better on gravel. On the
Yeah.
highway, when you get the little dips in the road, that's where your tires want to wander and follow.
Well, I can't remember where I was going, but holy. She had a mind of her own, that's for sure.
Yeah. It's warm today. Holy.
I know, just a random super hot day, like end
Yeah.
of September.
In the fall.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Went to look at a forklift today, so I'm kind of thinking I want it.
I think you're gonna need one in the new shop.
Well, the way I'm setting it up, it'll be nice to have one. I just don't want
Yeah.
to spend a lot on one.
No.
I don't want a very, very big one either, though. That's the thing. I don't want it to take tons of space. I feel I probably use it more than I think, but it would be nice for loading steel on and off the plasma table myself, things like that.
I think once you have one, you'll use it a lot. You'll
Yeah.
use it more than you even think you will.
Probably.
Yeah.
And this other one's pretty cool. I think it's everything I want, but I gotta go check. There's that pallet one. It's kind of like you walk behind,
Oh yeah.
which might be better, but I gotta see what it is tomorrow.
You need to take a closer look.
There's an auction, so there's a few things I want to look at.
Yeah.
Check out before I bid on them.
Yep.
See if I got grease all over me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and that toured the city. Did that. Now, yeah, I'll look at an auction tomorrow. Or look at stuff before I bid anyways.
Yep. Yep, we've been checking out a lot of auction items, that's for sure.
Yeah, doing a lot of auctions.
Yeah. Yeah. Trying to get things for a good price. That's the plan.
So we're trying.
You win some, you lose some.
Yeah, losing more than I've been winning so far.
I know.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll get there. Looking forward to moving in next month.
I hope so. It's the plan.
Fingers and toes are crossed. Hopefully everything comes together super soon.
Yeah, hopefully this weekend they're out doing some more.
Yeah.
Hope so.
Yep.
This weekend, early next week.
Supposed to rain.
Hopefully all the walls are up.
Yeah, for sure. Next week, yeah.
That'd be nice.
That'd be amazing.
Then we got to plan out the crane and stuff to do the roof.
Oh, hi, Pablo.
Hey, buddy.
Oh my gosh, he's like just about knocks me off my
Supper?
feet.
Hey, here for supper?
Is it time to eat?
Then go for a ride? No, see?
Always wants to go for a ride. Did you take him to the city today?
No.
Oh,
That would have been too long in there. Plus, I was at Princess Auto, so
oh yeah.
he wouldn't have enjoyed that.
No.
I don't think anybody would believe it if I told them it was my service dog. Hey? Maybe I put a saddle on you? Hey?
Oh yeah. Well, dinner time for the dogs.
Yeah.
We just ate, so
And I'm going to pack some bearings and put this thing back together. And Ryder's supposed to be coming out, so he's going to start doing some
Okay.
more moving into the sheds there.
sounds like fun. Alrighty.
For him, not for me.
It'll be fun for you watching
Well, actually,
him.
fun for me watching, yeah. Alrighty.
See you later. Bye. Bye, Pablo.